esteemed guests, cherished villagers, and my family and friends. I'm really thrilled to introduce myself. I'm Tabinda Manzoor, 24 years old and residing in Aglarpatan, and I have completed my BSc Nursing from SBS College of Nursing. It's my honor and privilege to welcome each and every one of you, in particular to our guests, as I'm reminded of this thing that a vast tapestry of knowledge, experience, and wisdom that graces this gathering, of course. I wanted to tell our guests that you represent yourself in the pinnacles of achievements, and you dedicate yourself to the pursuit of excellence. Thank you so much for being here. By your presence, this event is really glamorous, and you added the delight and flawless to this event. And now, I would like to extend a special thanks to Sagar Nazir sir, as he's just not a guide, a teacher, a mentor to me, but a guiding light who has illuminated my sight and my paths to self-discovery and knowledge. Thank you so much, sir, for introducing me to this event and for introducing me to this opportunity. And now, let's never underestimate the power of a teacher, as they are the architects of our dreams. So in my life, I'm blessed, alhamdulillah. I have a lot of teachers who encouraged me, support me, and for this, I would like to share a special thanks to Simar Kaur ma'am, as she's not present here, of course. So she's someone I knew that when I entered her classroom, I knew that I'm in the presence of someone extraordinary, someone who not only imparted knowledge but instilled some passion of writing and learning in me, and which continues to inspire me to this day. I'm blessed. Thank you so much, Simar ma'am. And now, with a little glimpse into my family, as they shaped me the way I am today in front of you, as thank you so much to the pillars of my strength, to my parents, to my uncle and aunt, to my siblings, to my cousins, of course. Your love, your encouragement, and your support really propelled me forward, even when the path seemed daunting to me. And yet there was a figure in my family, that's my grandfather, late Haji Muhammad Maqbul Bhatt. He was a man of few words but immense wisdom. He once told me that no matter what, writing is a process. Don't let your fears of failures hold you from expressing yourself. I'm really thankful of him. And at last, but not the least, I want to share my journey, how I dwelled in the poetry. So it was a frequent question asked to me that how do you start writing, and why you start writing. So I was in just 7th grade when I started the writing journey with my first short story, that's The Nest, and I got inspired by a bird which I wrote in that particular short story. And with the extension of short stories, I turned into novels, and I wrote my first novel as Serpents in the Shadows. Of course, that is unpublished yet. And then I dwelled in the poetry because I believe that I wrote my first poem, that was Peace and Solitude. Due to the fact that I was really anxious, I was introverted, and I let my feelings to myself, and I wanted to express it, and I wanted to explore my emotions, my feelings, so that I started writing poetry. So besides this, my family really encouraged me. My parents, my grandfather, of course, he was there always. And I remember when I wrote my first poem, I was afraid of mistakes, and he held my hand, and his words were so that was the greatest flicker of my life. And he said to me that embrace imperfection. It's okay if your first draft is imperfect. know that you can revise and improve it later. So don't let your fears of failures or other things hold you from expressing yourself. So basically it was his words that has inspired me throughout this journey, and my family and my parents, of course. And I believe we express ourselves, and we are in the world where people are adorned in the mask of composure and confidence, and lacking the concealing the flaws that rage beneath the surface. We all here present, we have the labyrinth of fears, desires, emotions. It's like the tapestry woven from both darkness and light. And I was grappled, I have been grappled with all these things, resides in my darkest corners of life. Either that was shadows of the insecurities, failures, or the echoes of past traumas, or the suffocating grip of anxiety. I never let these things hold me back. And it's true that some darkest ways pave the way to the greatest growth, and I found that to be true in my life. And at last, I would like to tell you this, that let's together embrace each other with understanding and knowledge, and let's stand together in this journey. And thank you so much for being the witness to my truths and standing alongside me. Thank you so much.